Hello guys, today we want to show you how you remove a radiator fan from the car. It's a BMW 630i, right? So I'll take you through a simple process, and I don't want to waste time with it, but what I want to do, we have to take this panel out. I've already loosened these bolts, okay? So you can take these two, okay? You take that one, that's a T30, this one, take that one there, okay? I've already loosened them, I'm just trying to save time. Take these two, that one there. We can lift that panel and see this. That should be a bonnet cage cable. Take it off from there. This one here, take it off from there. There you go. And then we have that panel out, okay? The next thing that we want to do is to come here. So what I've done, you see these screws here, right? So I removed one from there, see that? And I removed one from there, and then you come another one here, another one there, and then the last one here. And the other thing that you have to do is to disconnect this plug. It's a big plug, it goes in here, okay? You disconnect that, just push these two tabs here, push them in, you pull it up, that's it, done. And then you come unlock, unclip this pipe here. Be careful, don't break it here, okay? It's good it has got flexes on this side. Right, so what I have done is I have removed a hose here, but you may not want to. I'll show you why. It's up to you. You can do that if you want, but you may not want to do that. So what we want to do now is to check inside. Don't know if my lighting allows. So you will notice that, see these pipes here, that pipe there, they are clipped at the bottom. That pipe is actually clipped at the bottom onto the radiator. So I'll show you one here that is easy to show. I think this one should be, see, you see one of the clips here. Let me show you, zoom that, right, show where my fingers are. You're not showing the clip. Right, there's one of the clips there. So you pull, look at that, you like that. So you do that right round the bottom. There are 3 of them. Let me just go ahead and do that. So there's one again at the bottom here. We may not be able to show that one, but I've got that one unclipped. And then I come this side again. Yeah, there's about 4 of them. So that's that pipe. So if you what we want to do now is to remove, this cover here, okay? Remove that plastic trim. That's it, done. So now you can lift this pipe over. You see that if I lift, you see that the radiator fan is coming out, but you'll notice that this side it will get stuck on that radiator neck there. So but BMW have done it so smart. I'll show you what I mean by that. So if you keep watching, you will notice that if you pull that tag, look at that, you can actually move it this way, right, out of the way. All right, so you have moved it out of the way of the radiator neck there. And then so now we should be able to lift our radiator. Look at that. Is that not smart? I love BMW for this, to be honest with you. It is smart. So that's it. Wiggle it out nicely and you will have it out. Oh my, there you go. So if I can show you, so these are the tabs that I was telling you, 1, 2, 3 and the 4. So there's a radiator hose that runs along that length, and look at this. This is the hanger, right? So you can actually push it that side so that you can lift it over this way. Oh, that's really, really good. It makes your life easier when you are removing the fan. So that's it done. So your radiator fan is out, okay? And then if you are going to do another job, now you can go. I will show you the space in here. Just look at the space now. It was crowded. Look at the space. So that's how you remove a radiator fan on a BMW 630i. It's a petrol engine, straight 6 engine, powerful machine. But look, thank you very much for choosing to watch this video. This is Jamro's Electronic Solutions again. We've brought you another step-by-step video. Please consider to like and subscribe. We appreciate your help. Thank you very much.